Cooking when you're hungry will cause you to do one of two things. You're going to be either very creative or you are going to overeat. In my case, it's all creativity. So today I am making a quick white rice noodles. I'm using a unique ingredient that most people use for other dishes, salsa. I'm actually letting my base be salsa along with mushrooms and other types of vegetables. This was totally amazing. I'm not sponsored by this company, but the salsa came out amazing with the rice noodles. So y'all should go ahead and give it a try. It's simple. I use salsa for a lot of things. I also add salsa into my rice, like plain white rice, and it comes out amazing. So that's a little trick that I wanted to share with y'all. Consider salsa, add it into some of your favorite meals, and be surprised. Let your creativity run wild. All right, so it's very late, so let me go ahead and eat and enjoy myself. I'll post the next episode or video showing you guys or letting you guys see me taste test this amazing creation. Alright guys, don't forget to like, share, and follow. If you're on Instagram, if you are on YouTube, same thing. Like, share, follow. I'm gonna see y'all next episode. Alright guys, have a blessed and wonderful day. And thanks for your support as always. Take care.